Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about one of the most exciting tech releases of the year, the NVIDIA RTX 5019. If you love gaming, video editing, or just want the most powerful graphic card ever made, this video is for you, and I will break down step by step, so even if you don't know much about graphic card, you will understand why RTX 5019 is such a big deal. The NVIDIA RTX 5019 is the newest and the most powerful graphic card from NVIDIA. It is built for gamers, video creators, and professionals who need extreme performance, whether you want to play games at the highest setting, edit 8K videos, or use AI power tools. This GPU is designed to handle it all. So the question is, what makes this graphic so powerful? Think of the RTX 5019 as a brain of your gaming PC. It does all the heavy lifting to make sure your games and application run smoothly. Here's why it's so powerful. Faster processing. It has way more cores than RTX 4019, which means it can process graphics and data much quicker, and more memories. The RTX 5019 is expected to have 32 GB of super fast memories, allowing it to handle high resolution texture and complex 3D models. And better efficiency. It uses new architecture that's called Blackwell, which means it works faster while using less power. And in simple terms, it is stronger, faster, and smarter than any GPU before it. So let's talk about what this GPU can actually do for you. For gamers, ultra smooth 4K and 8K gaming, no more lag or frame drop even in the most demanding games. Ray tracing for realistic graphic. This technology makes lighting and reflection look incredibly real. And DLSS version 4, this AI power tool helps your game run at the higher resolution and frame rate without losing quality. And for creators and professionals, faster video editing. If you edit 4K or 8K videos, the RTX 5019 will speed up rendering time. 3D modeling and animation, perfect for designer and engineer working with complex 3D project. An AI tool, if you use AI-driven program for art, music, or machine learning, this GPU can boost performance dramatically. But now let me walk you through about the power consumption and display output. The RTX 5019 is a high-performance GPU, meaning it requires a lot of power to run efficiently. Power usage estimated between 450 watts to 600 watts, higher than RTX 4019, and power supply needed at least 1000 watt to ensure a stable performance. And about power connector, uses 12 volt high power 16 pin PCI Express version 5 connector, which is designed to safely deliver high power while reducing the number of the cables needed. If your power supply isn't strong enough, the system may crash, restart, or not work properly under heavy loads. And how RTX 5019 compares to its biggest rival like AMD and Intel. AMD Radeon RX 8000 series is improving fast, but NVIDIA is still the leader in AI-powered features like DLSS and ray tracing. The RTX 5019 is expected to be faster and more efficient than AMD upcoming flagship. And about Intel, Intel is still new to the high-end GPU market. While Intel Arc GPUs are improving, they won't match the RTX 5019 raw power anytime soon. In the bottom line, if you want the best performance with the latest technology, NVIDIA RTX 5019 is a top choice. And now, most interesting part is display output. The RTX 5019 support high-resolution displays and multiple monitor setup, max resolution up to 8K at 16 Hz or 4K at 240 Hz for ultra-smooth visual. Monitor support can connect up to 4 monitors at once, and ports expected to have 3 DisplayPort version 2.1 and HDMI version 2.1 port, allowing high refresh rates and ultra clear visual. And VR multi-screen ready works well with virtual reality headsets and multi-monitor setup. This means that the RTX 5019 can handle the best gaming, content creation and multitasking experiences without any issues. But before we wrap this up, it would be a great idea to talk about few important things to keep in mind. First is the price. The price estimated between $1,600 and $2,000. Second is a cooling system. You will definitely need advanced cooling system to avoid overheating, because this graphic alone uses for more power than entire PlayStation 5. For conclusion, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5019 is the ultimate GPU for anyone looking to push their system to the limit. With the mind-blowing 8K gaming capabilities, supercharged performance, and AI-driven features, it's perfect for high-end gamers and content creators who want to stay ahead of the curve. And if you are ready to take your gaming and content creation experiences to the next level, this graphic is your ticket. But remember, this beast is not for everyone, only for those who want the best of the best. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell so you don't miss any future content.